Over 800 million people are using ChatGPT in 2025, but most of them are using it completely wrong. Most people treat it like Google. They ask a question, get an answer, and move on. But that's not where the real power is. However, there's a select group of people, the top 1%, who've figured out how to actually use it. And they're not just getting better answers, they're building entire systems that run their businesses. Now, we spent the last year becoming part of that 1%, and honestly, it's changed everything. ChatGPT now writes our scripts, researches our competitors, generates our blog posts, and breaks down what other creators are missing in their videos. It's basically become the triplet that we never knew we needed. And it saves us over 30 hours every single week. And no, this is not just an exaggeration. So today, we're pulling back the curtains. We're showing you the exact prompts, the systems that we've built, and how you can plug this straight into your workflow. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or just someone who's busy and drowning themselves in work. Let's get into it. All right, so a bit of context. 6 months ago, our content workflow was an absolute disaster. We'd spend entire days planning a single video. Writing scripts took forever. You write a paragraph, hate it, rewrite it 3 times, and still don't like it. And that's just the script. You've still got to research the topic, write the YouTube description, create meta tags, repurpose it on different platforms. It was a nightmare. Every single task eats time. And the worst part is, sometimes you don't even know where you're wasting most of your hours. We had docs scattered everywhere, half-written ideas in Notion, random prompts saved in our notes app. Nothing was connected. It felt like we were just pushing out content instead of focusing on what we were actually creating. And that's what frustrated us. We knew AI was supposed to help with this sort of stuff, but whenever we used ChatGPT, it just didn't work in the way that we needed it to. The answers were too generic, too robotic. It just didn't understand our tone, who our ideal audience was, or even what we were actually trying to build. But then we came to a realization. We stopped blaming the tool and started asking a better question. What if we're just using it wrong? That's where everything shifted. We stopped treating ChatGPT like a search engine and started to use it like a teammate. We fed it our past scripts, showed it our best performing content, and we built custom prompts that actually understood what we were trying to create. And once we did that, it stopped giving us the generic garbage and it actually gave us what we needed in our voice, for our audience and ready to use. And now it's running in the background of everything that we do. Video ideas, blog posts, research, competitor analysis, and we're getting our time back. So let's break down exactly how we use it. From prompts to actionable examples, starting off with the one that saves us the most time. Oh, and before we jump in, we've put together a full breakdown of everything we're about to show you. Every prompt, every workflow, all the step-by-step instructions, it's completely free. So the link's in the description. Grab it now if you want to follow along with us, or just reference it later when you're ready to set this up yourself. Let's dive in. All right, so we use ChatGPT in 6 different ways. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the one way that could help build your entire business from the ground up. But we're not gonna bore you with all these long tutorials for each one. Instead, we've created a free guide with every single prompt, step-by-step breakdowns, and examples that you can literally copy and paste. It's in the description. You can grab it now, you can grab it later, but trust us, you're gonna wanna have this. Cool, so let's get started with number 1. First up, script writing. We used to just ask it to write a script and we would just hope for the best. There was no real structure, and honestly, it just sounded like it was coming straight from AI. Yeah. Way too formal, too generic. We ended up having to write the whole thing anyway. But then we figured out how to actually prompt it properly. Give it our tone, show it some examples, tell it what we're sort of going for. And now we're getting completely different answers. What used to take us 3 to 4 hours to get right is now taking us 30 minutes. Number 2, idea generation. So we'll be sitting there like, all right, what's our next video gonna be like? We've got a list of topics that are working for other creators, but the thing is, we're not at the same stage as them just yet. So what we'll do, we'll feed those ideas into ChatGPT and we'll ask it, how can we put our own twist on this? What angle can we take that fits where we're at right now? And it'll give us 10 to 15 different variations, different hooks, different approaches, different ways to make it ours instead of copying what's already been done. It literally takes like 2 minutes. Then we go through the list, we pick the best one, and we run with it. Number 3, research and competitor analysis. This one's a game changer. What we'll do is take the transcripts from some of the top performing videos in our niche, we'll feed that into ChatGPT, and it's gonna give us things that we could improve on with it. It breaks down what worked, what didn't, and more importantly, what angles they didn't cover that we could. And so instead of just copying what's already out there, we're finding our own unique angle and saving us hours of manual research in the process. Number 4, blog posts. Now this is where the ChatGPT Pro account really shines. We can upload multiple files at once, CSVs with keyword data, PDFs of top ranking articles, search intent reports, all in one go. And then we ask it to analyze everything and give us a full outline of exactly what we need to include in our blog post. This way, we're taking advantage of what's already working and ranking on Google. What used to take us a full day, it now takes us an hour, and those posts are actually ranking. Oh, and just quickly, if you haven't grabbed that free guide yet, there's actually a prompt in there to show you how to beat AI detection. Because as we know, humanized content is getting promoted by Google more and more as AI continues to grow in 2025. So make sure to go check that one out. All right, we're almost there, and we still haven't even showed you the best one yet. Stick with us, because this next one is super practical. Number 5, email copy. So every week we send out a new email to our list, and instead of writing them from scratch, we just grab the script from the video that we posted in that week and throw it into ChatGPT. We tell it to repurpose it into email copy. Same message, but different format. And it literally takes like 30 seconds. And if you watched one of our most recent videos, you would have seen that we showed how to automate this entire process with Zapier. So if you haven't seen that yet yourself, make sure to go check it out after this. All right, so those 5 alone probably save us between 20 to 25 hours every single week. But this last one, this is a secret weapon. Yeah, this is the one that's actually changed how we run our business. So let's get into it. Number 6, building step-by-step systems. So this one's helpful whenever we're feeling all over the shop, like confused about something or trying to figure out how to start something completely new. For example, I was recently thinking about offering website building services to local construction companies within our area, but I had no idea where to start. Like, how do I even set that up? What tools do I need? How do I go and approach clients? So I asked ChatGPT to give me a full step-by-step system. How to set myself up to run multiple client websites, what the best deals are on plugins to work across multiple sites, even how to structure pricing, literally all of it. And literally within the space of a couple minutes, I had a complete blueprint. I could see exactly how much work it would take, what I needed to get started, and then whether it'd even be worth it or not. That's the power of this. ChatGPT, it's not for just writing stuff, it's for helping figure things out when you're stuck and try something new. You're not just getting answers, you're building systems you can actually follow and scale. So that's it. The 6 ways that we use ChatGPT to save more than 30 hours a week. If you want to try this yourself, everything that we've just talked about is in the free guide, which is linked in the description. Every prompt, every workflow, all the instructions. And if you want more content like this, workflow automations, AI tools, systems that actually save you time, make sure to hit subscribe, because we drop a new video every single week. But we'll see you in the next one.